Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we are going to take this green color of paper, fold it from the diagonals, then fold it from the sides. We're going to make the box here. So press it and look, it's ready. After making the box, we're going to make the drawer, make two such shapes and put it inside. Similarly, make the handles and it's ready. Take this pink color of paper, fold it into half, then fold it from the sides. Now we're going to tuck the paper inside in triangular shape. After this, we're going to press it. Here we're going to make these pouches. So make more such pouches and paste all of them together. We're going to cover it further and make a handle like this. You can also paste stickers. Take an A4 sheet of paper, now fold it. After this, we're going to cut it look like this and then we're going to fold all of them. The pages are ready. After this, we're going to cover it. So paste it using glue, draw the eyes and it's ready. Here we're going to take this purple color of paper. Using double-sided tape, we're going to paste it. You can put these mini things inside. Now fold it like this and paste it from the top. Paste stickers. Now we're going to fold it and using this zigzag scissors, we're going to cut it and it's ready. Here we're going to fold this yellow color of paper from the top and bottom. Now gently open it. After this, we're going to further fold it into half. Then fold it from the corners. You can see this mini fold at the center. Now fold it and your bag is ready. Let's make the handle, paste the sticker, decorate it further and look, your mini bag is ready. Take this blue color of A4 paper. Now we're going to fold it from the side, flip it and make multiple pleats. We're going to make this leaf shape. Now we're going to fold it further, tuck the paper inside and pull it downwards like this and look, it is ready. You can also paste some stickers and it's done. We're going to take this green color of paper, fold it into half, then fold it from the sides and tuck the paper inside. Now we're going to fold it again, look like this and it's done. You can open it easily. Take this red color of paper, fold it like we're doing here. Now gently press it from the top and bottom. After this, we're going to make mini folds as well, look like this and gently open it from the side, pull it and look, it's ready. Now we're going to spread it and make the container, put the box and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.